Good morning, family. How are y'all doing? Fine, I hope. No, I didn't record yesterday. No, you cannot be mad at me for not recording yesterday. Because I told y'all we was going to Legoland. And we did. And it wasn't about recording content. It wasn't about any of y'all. It was about giving my baby the day she deserved. And I did that. So because I decided to give her the day she deserved, I didn't record. Oh, that's not how you do that. Yes, it is. I'm going to absolutely choose my kids each and every single time. I make content because I want to. Giving my kids the space that they want and the space that they need is me being a parent first. She didn't care about recording content. She wanted to have a blast. And in Legoland, she did. It was just me and her. No other kids, none of that. It was her kindergarten senior trip. And she rode every ride. She drove the race cars. I gave my baby exactly what she wanted and needed. And the only two people that mattered to her was me and her. Did I absolutely have a blast? Sure did. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Am I hurt that I didn't make content? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. So before you ever think to say, well, you didn't make content this day, please remember, I'm a content creator by choice, which means I choose to post what I want to post. And giving my baby what she asked for, that was me letting her know she's going to always have a say in what I post and what I don't. Okay? Okay. And Legoland. Why is it that y'all don't take cash for anything? I don't like that. I don't. I think that's a rip-off because if y'all circus was down yesterday, how was I supposed to feed my baby? I got cash on me and y'all only take cards. Y'all need to change that. If you take nothing from this video, you need to take some cash and not just make everything card because if your system go down, we can't support. We can't. And y'all let me know y'all ain't my real friends because y'all go to Legoland and then y'all don't need to tell me. Y'all supposed to have told me that. But anyway, we had a blast. She came home with a brand new baby. She named it Bluey, of course. And it was $35. And the look on her face, the pricelessness she had, was worth every penny of it. So, if you thought that I would say, oh, I would change it and do it over, I'm not going to lie and tell you that. The fact that my baby came home and had a beautiful day, the fact that she was like, I graduate, can we do something else? And I said, absolutely. Let me know I was in the right moment at the right place and the right time. Because all she needed to know was that she was important to me. So before you say anything negative, understand, as a content creator, I show y'all what I want y'all to see. Everything ain't content, and all content ain't good content. But when it comes to my kids, and them having a blast, and knowing that they was chosen to be put first, baby, I'm going to always choose them. So, I don't want to hear in the comments, oh, you didn't, I'm not going to show them. If they don't want to be seen, they don't have to be. That's the difference. I don't need to post my kids for content. I do enough content on my own. Yeah. Just to help you if you're in the, I don't know what to post. Don't start off with your kids. Post other things. Do it by yourself. Give them that option. Because if you're monetized off of them, are you going to pay them? Because they are now your employees. And this is just to let you know that yes, I'm still gonna make a cooking video, cleaning vlog, whatever vlog I wanna make. But yeah, my 45 challenge didn't stop because I missed a day. It just lets y'all know that I have a life outside of this content. And I'm gonna reset each and every time for the ones that call me mom. So, before you get mad and upset and in your feelings, I chose to post what I post. I chose when I'm gonna shoot content. Our trips and anything I wanna post, I'll post it with their permission. I don't get their permission, I'm not posting it. But this is me making breakfast. I hope y'all like, watch, enjoy. Let me know if you're thinking breakfast. And remember, it's okay to just love on your kid. Even when you're a content creator. Everything ain't for the internet. And tell me in the comments if it's hot enough for you, like it's hot enough for me. Whew. Bon appetit.